many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hi Paresh, happy birthday. Happy Golden Jubilee birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Paresh uncle, happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely day and see you soon in Australia, mate.
પ્રિયા 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 50 થઈ ગયા 50 જલસા ભાઈ જલસા શું લઈને આવ્યો તો કાંદો લઈને આવ્યો તો ને શું લઈને જવાનું શાંતિથી રહેવાનું મસ્ત માવા ખાવાના દારૂ વારૂ પીવાની સ્ટોક માર્કેટ કરવાનું જલસા કરવાના જલસા બરાબર ને પણ પેલા 50 વર્ષ પછી મિસ્ટેકો કરી છે એ ધ્યાન રાખવા ગટર વટરમાં નહીં પડવાનું બાયડીનું સાંભળવાનું યા નેરલ વેરલ લઈ જવાનું જ્યારે બાયડી ના કહે ત્યારે બટ એનીવે જોક્સ અપાર્ટ very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jiju. You gave me so many things, but most of all, I am more thankful for you, for this guy. Thank you so much for being there for me. Thank you for being an older brother to me. The best quality about you that whatever you are inside, you are outside. So stay the way you are. Happy, happy, happy birthday. And don't listen to my husband. Quit Mawa. I want to see you another 50 years. Walking, talking, laughing, everything. Over to you, Aryan.
I agree. Kemjo uncle, how are you? I wish you a very happy 25th birthday, of course. Forever stay young and fun and all of that.
He's really
Bye.
fun though.
Happy
He's really
birthday.
fun. Happy
course.
birthday.
Hi, Paresh Uncle. Happy birthday. Big 50, big 50th birthday. Hope you're having the best day ever, filled with so much fun. And you know, even though you're 50, you have such a youthful personality. I still remember going skydiving and you turned around and asked me if everything was tightened, if everything was secure. And you know what? Not many people would do that. Dad didn't do it. No one else did it. So still thinking about that. Kudos to you. But I hope you have the most amazing day ever. I hope you're having lots of fun. And I promise I will see you soon. One day I will come on one of these trips and I will see you very, very soon. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paresh Jiju. Many happy returns of the day. પરેશ જીજુ આજના દિવસે ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના કે તમે તમારા માટે અને તમારા ફેમિલી માટે જેટલા ડ્રીમ્સ જોયા છે એ બધાય ડ્રીમ્સ પૂરા થાય તેવી ભગવાનને દિલથી પ્રાર્થના. અગેન many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, Paresh and Alpa. We are sending you a warm wishes from us and very happy birthday to Paresh.
Hi Paresh, very congratulations on your 50th birthday. We all remember your past days with you at Jamnagar, such a jolly nature you are having and a very friendly nature with all the persons you meet, and it's really very nice. Whenever you come to Mumbai, I feel that you share more and more days with me so that we can recollect all those days. Once again, congratulations on your 50th birthday. God bless you.
Again, happy birthday, Paresh.
Hello?
Hello? Why are you sad?
Do you have any plans today?
No, I'm stuck in cold, rainy England. But if I was in Sydney, I would have lots of plans.
I know, it's the party of the century.
It's Parish's birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Parish!
Can't wait to celebrate when we're back in Sydney.
We'll have a lot of drinks and a lot of food. Enjoy the day. Bye!
हाय सर, many happy returns of the day. सर आपने मुझे पहचाना, फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ योर रेगुलर बैच 1999. सर आपको शायद याद हो या ना हो, हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था कि रिटायरमेंट पे हम दोनों एक शॉप खरीदेंगे विद कॉमन गोल, और उसमें मैं बनाऊंगा चाय और आप बेचोगे पान, और हमारी दुकान का नाम रहेगा चंदू चाय वाला एंड परेश पान वाला. तो सर डॉलर की मोह माया कब छोड़ के आप इंडिया आ रहे हो, तो हम लोग अपना वो ड्रीम पे काम करें. जोक्स अपार्ट सर, many happy returns of the day. Have a nice journey sir. Give my best regard to entire your family sir. Thank you.
Hello sir, first of all many happy returns of the day. Hope you and your family doing good. आपके लिए थोड़ा दिक्कत रहेगा कि ये बंदा कौन है, क्योंकि जब आपसे पढ़ते थे सर तब वो वी वर लाइक किड्स, और आज शक्ल सूरत में काफ़ी चेंज रहेंगे। आपके जाने के बाद कभी एग्जैक्टली मौका नहीं मिला आपको थैंक यू कहने का कि भाई जिस बंदे को इंग्लिश में बांधे थे, गुजराती मीडियम का लड़का था, उसने आपने उसको एजुकेट किया और वो आज प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है। तो थैंक यू फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट फॉर योर गाइडेंस एंड योर सपोर्ट। विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी हेल्थी लाइफ अहेड, और जब भी आइएगा इंडिया याद कीजिएगा, पक्का मिलेंगे सर। बाय बाय।
हेलो परेश सर, विश यू अ हैप्पी 25th बर्थडे। હેલો પરેશ સર, વિશ યુ હેપી 25th બર્થડે. આમ તો તમે લાગો છો 25 વર્ષના જ, એટલે જ અમે 25+25 એ રીતે કરીને વિશ યુ અ 50th બર્થડે. Your contribution in nurturing our life is immense and it cannot be described in just 30-50 seconds. But even though, thank you for making us what we are today. Thank you very much.
Hi sir, many happy returns of the day. Have a very nice day. સાહેબ 50 પૂરા કર્યા એમને.
બાય. મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. તમારા 50 વર્ષ પૂર્ણ થયા એની અમારી હાર્દિક શુભકામના. નવા વર્ષમાં તમે ફેમિલી સાથે પૂરી એન્જોય કરો. ઠાકોરજી તમને દીર્ઘ આયુષ્ય, તંદુરસ્ત આયુષ્ય બક્ષે એવી ઠાકોરજી પાસે પ્રાર્થના. વહેલા ઇન્ડિયા આવો, પધારો. વી આર વેઇટિંગ ફોર યુ. ઇન્ડિયા આવો ત્યારે આપણે જરૂર એક શાનદાર પાર્ટી રાખવી છે આપના વનપ્રવેશની. થેન્ક યુ. વિશ યુ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ.
Hello sir, wish you a very happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. Have a happy, healthy and wonderful year ahead. I would like to take this opportunity and thank you for not just providing us with CA coaching but also a real life coaching. You have inspired and motivated many of us to dream big, because through your life journey we have seen that dreams come true. So many congratulations to the purest soul and real person I have ever come across. And special mention to Alpa Bhabhi. Despite we lost touch, she remembered me and given me the opportunity to be a part of this special celebration. Thank you so much. Enjoy guys. Bye. Take care.
Hello sir, Jai Shri Krishna. Many happy returns of the day sir. Wish you a very happy and successful year ahead. Just want to say we are really blessed to have you and Bobby with us all the time. I have learned a lot from you. I have learned how to see a life in a different perspective and to be positive always. Thank you for being a guiding light for us and wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Paresh sir. Happy birthday to you.
પરેશ સર, મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે ટુ યુ. જલ્દી ઇન્ડિયા આવો અને અમારા ઘરે બેંગ્લોર આવો. અમે તમને બહુ જ મિસ કરીએ છીએ. પ્લીઝ કમ અને લાઈફમાં આટલું બધું આપવા માટે થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.
Hi sir, wish you a very happy birthday. On this birthday sir, I would like to really thank you from the bottom of my heart because I believe that today if I am a chartered accountant then it's really because of you, your guidance, your motivation and your support. I think that we were lucky enough because in our times there were no coaching class in Jamnagar and I think you were the pioneer, first one to start coaching in Jamnagar. So we are really blessed to have a mentor, a sir, a coach like you who have not only guided us as far as the academics is concerned, but you have always motivated us, and that was, I think, one of the most priority thing which was needed in a profession like chartered accountancy. And I remember those days when you taught us about the subconscious mind of thinking positively, and I remember that I used to write on my study table that inter CA November so and so examination clear. And at that time, like really followed blindly whatever you said. But today, I just read one of the books, Power of Subconscious Mind by Morphy Joseph, and I really felt that I think that was something which created magic. So all credit goes to you. Thank you for your support as always, for your guidance, and wish you once again a really, really, really very happy birthday, and wish you a really blessed life ahead. Thank you so much, sir.